Hello, I'm Henry. Let's review my trade on Bitcoin. I'm currently in Bitcoin right now. I'll give you a breakdown of my charts. This black area, these are candlesticks. This middle gray area is a volume profile. And down here in the blue, we have a momentum indicator. So here, this area right here, this is the U.S. Open, or this is the event here is the U.S. Open, where we have a lot of market activity. You can see here strong momentum, and we had a pretty big move here. This purple line is S3 right here. So my signal is anything at or below S3, I want to go long. We can see here at the open, we were able to sell below S3, but we remain below S3. We can see that Bitcoin found support down here at this level. A lot of volume, a lot of transactions right here. This yellow line is just to help me differentiate a higher volume profile as opposed to an average volume profile. So this morning, we said here we're below S3. Here's where things get interesting. This level right here, you can see where sellers took control. They were able to hold this level right here, and then they were able to move the price higher. So here, I was late to catch Bitcoin. I had a short bias today and didn't really take it seriously long until it was already back at S3. Ideally, after seeing this, I would want to take an entry about right here. I believe it's at 1043. And this would be my ideal entry. I would put a stop back here behind these two candles right here. But I missed that entry when when my psychology straightened out. I took an entry here right at the S3 level, here at 1105. I'll show you my stop. Here's my stop. And then we continued to buy through S3, hit some resistance at this price level, sold off. We never retested S3. In addition, this caught my eye. This pivot low, this isolated pivot low right here. Usually they indicate a change in direction or possibly continuation in a direction, but they're usually a strong signal. I don't know what they mean all the time, but when I see this type of price action, it gets my attention. Certainly not my most disciplined second entry. I believe I took this second entry because I missed the first entry. I chased it here, and I believe my psychology was a bit off, but and not the most or minus my technical entry, which would have been back here. I'm not really certain how I would have played it going forward. So I did what I thought was appropriate for the circumstances. And we can see, I'll show you my stop for here. I set my stop right behind this little doji here, this pivot low. And then we can see we're starting to buy at this point, and we're just stair-stepping up in price. And we can see there was a level, or possibly a level here. There's quite a bit of pullback, and buyers were able to push through this level and move the price up higher here. So we seem to be on our way potentially to target at this point. If we'll come down here, I'll pull up the 15. Maybe we can have some perspective on target. Both orders are the same, just one entry price is a little better than the other. But right now we're, let's say, maybe a third away from target potentially. This dotted yellow line is the two orders that were placed. And you can see, yeah, that's better. Are the two orders that was placed, and this here on the 15-minute, you can see we're approaching the target, which is take profit, this red line right here. So if we make target, or if it fails, I'll likely make a recap or a review video, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for checking out my trades, and trade safe.